So we're going to remove that Allen plug to remove the shaft for the 6-port, 5th and 6-port actuation. Dalawa sa ilalim. Yun ang motor. The reason we're removing the activation shaft is that when the previous mechanic who removed the engine apart is you'll see here that we have a missing screw for the port sleeve, so we were able to find one in my stocks, but on this part there's a broken screw, so we need to remove that broken screw out so that we can attach the port sleeve, because we need to remove the color brown gear in order to completely remove this shaft. Also need to clean it for a smooth operation. There are carbon deposits, so you will see here the broken screw. You need to remove that. On the other side there's no broken screw. So these are the port sleeve for the 5th and 6th port, and it's bolted here. So this is not the original screw. You just look for a replacement. Problem is how to remove this. Subukan mo nga pukpukin yung paikot. Yun. So this is the Mazda Rx-8 intake manifold. So this is the VDI valve, the variable dynamic effect intake. As you will see here, when it is not activated, the port is closed, bridging the two intake ports. If it is opened, air will pass to the other side, like that. If it's closed, air can't pass to the other side. So we will remove it just to make sure it is all the mechanical parts inside are well cleaned. You have to remove the fuel injector reel. So this is the fuel injectors. It's good that the injector grommet seal is still soft. That will ensure sealing. So this is the VDI intake. You will see here that, and it's positioned like this, and air can pass to the other side. But if it opens like that, air will bridge from one intake port to the other. Now we will remove this SSV valve, the secondary shutter valve, located here. It closes the secondary ports. It closes this port that splits to the secondary ports. So at low RPM, the 5th and 6th port is closed, and the secondary ports are also closed. And these are the only ports that is open at low RPM. Extension. Oh, putol. Wala pang effort, putol. Bukan siguro nila na-overtorque nung lang nilang binaklas, no? It's called the secondary shutter valve because it shuts the secondary ports. These are metal gasket.
Ay, naganda ng ano?
Now,
Epoxy.
Epoxy lang nila. Oo nga, no? So the broken bolt, they just used epoxy to fix that in.
Malambot lang. Tingnan ko malambot lang.
Buti na lang malambot lang, no? So this is the secondary shutter valve. If closed, air can pass through here. Then if it opens, air can pass through. Very simple design by Mazda. That's very effective. And this is the broken bolt. It's a good thing that it's not hard to remove. You can easily just replace it with a good one. As you can see here, they just used an epoxy like that, but it looks complete but not functional. There, you can see the dirt. So we'll also remove this motor, the motor driver for the 5th and 6th port.